Do you also want to speak this language and you are not able to understand what should I pick first here? Should I work on grammar portion? Should I work on listening, reading, or even I have to learn more vocabularies? Then I can speak this language. Hello, are you confused? So here I am going to share some of the exercise in front of you so that you can understand and you can work on so that you can speak this language. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Netu and you are watching English Talk Corner. If you are visiting in my channel for the first time, so here I am uploading some of the ideas how you can improve English. I am uploading conversations video. If you are interested to make conversations video with me, then send me in the comment section and I will reply on that. Okay, so first of all, if you are thinking to start your English speaking practice at home alone by yourself, so first of all, try to speak this language in front of you. How you can do that? So you have mirror, you have yourself. Why are you not talking to yourself? This is a wonderful exercise which I am applying nowadays also. You know how I am applying? Whenever I am doing any work in the kitchen, I am translating that things in an English. Like whenever I'm just chopping the vegetables, I am making potato curry and I will add 2 tomatoes in that. For that, I need small onion, I need green chili, I have to add some turmeric in there. So we have thousands of the topics and we are not able to find out that. First of all, if you are learning English, start from your house. That will be the best exercise, I would say that. If you are going anywhere, just try to speak that sentences in front of you. Try to, if I will be there in this position, so how can I speak these sentences? How it's helped me? Okay, whenever you are going to the movie, theaters, restaurant, anything, today what I order. Today you order in your mother tongue, but with thinking in your mind, if you will be there, so how you can speak this kind of the sentences. So that will help you. If you will not pressurize your mind that how can I speak this language, this mind will give you 100 of the excuses. But you have to use that, guys, because this is a language, normal language. Okay. So whatever I'm doing in a day, I just try to recall all the things in the night time. Whenever I'm walking at night, I just try to recall all the things in English. Okay, what I said. Okay, today I wake up early in the morning, 7:30. After that, I drink 1 glass of water. Then I go for the freshen up. When I go for the freshen up, I'll come back. I wash my hand. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I wash my face. Then I go to the kitchen. Then I start preparing for meal. Breakfast for my kids. Together I start preparing for my husband lunch box. Then I wake up my son. Then I give him 1 glass of milk, and then I give 1 Parle-G biscuit. This kind of the sentence you try to speak in front of yourself. You know, earlier I don't have any friends. I don't have nobody at my home whom can I talk in an English. But I did only one thing, that is self-talk, and seriously, it's helped me. If somebody hurts me, I try to explain those emotion also. I tried how I'm feeling, how I'm going. I am going for the grocery. I am going for the supermarket. I tried everything to try to speak in an English. How can I make this kind of the sentences? Okay. The second thing hota hai, you have to watch listening very simple videos so that you can understand and you can make this kind of the things you are listening and try to speak. Try to watch kids story. Try to watch very simple story that you can understand and you can use in your day-to-day life. These days, I am watching conversations video to improve my English. You know why? Because I love when the people are speaking. They are speaking very normal English. And whom you like, try to focus on them. But here I personally like Ram sir video, Sunita Adventure video, and Minu ma'am videos I like. In a one day I try to watch one videos so that I can get how they are speaking, what is the pattern of they use in the sentence structure. So in that I'll get this. Okay. Reading is also important, guys. You can order some books from the Meesho also. The cost is very reasonable. You can take it, but you know, I cannot, because even I am thinking in my mind, how can I read? So then what I'm doing, I'm just start television. I start my television. Then after that, I just decrease the volume of my TV, and then I start kid story and I am reading the subtitles. So that's helped me to understand what is the sentence structure they are using, how can I make the story, what is the person want to say that. So this kind of the things I am doing at home. So that's how you can start it, you know. But you have to speak this language. That is a real motto of your English. If you will say that, ma'am, I don't have no one, you have yourself, and that you are enough. I know only one thing. Okay. Without any person, there are lots of people, they are learning this language. What you can do is you can try to collect 2 or 3 people who loves to speak this language. Try to create a one group and try to speak with them in an English. You can do message in WhatsApp in an English. If you are feel shy, try speak in front of them. Try to do message in the chat, WhatsApp, that yeah, I need this parcel. Can you help me? I need this jacket. I need some money. These kind of the messages you can do. If you are a girl, so I love your suit. Can you tell me where did you purchase this? What is the cost of it? Try to speak these kind of the sentences with your friends. So day by day, what will happen? Your confidence will be boosted, and you will able to speak this language in front of them also. Okay. So that's all I wanted to share. So try these kind of the things at home. That will also help you. So guys, now it's high time to practice your English at home. You don't need partners. I will tell you how you can download the application. That will also free application. You can use it, and you can make conversations video with YouTubers. You can make your own group. Somebody can make groups, so you can go there and you can tell to them, yeah, if you are using any group, so you can you add me, because here I want to improve my English. Only 15 minutes do this exercise with the consistency. I definitely guaranteed you guys, you will able to speak. If you are starting from your journey from the zero, I am 100% sure that you will able to speak this language in front of you, or you can speak this language in front of your friend also. Okay. So start practicing your English. So I hope you will understand that nobody will make you speak until you will not start. So that's all I wanted to share. If you really like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, because it tells me that you are liking my video. Please like kara karo so that my videos go on the hype. Bye bye guys. Let's meet in another video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because here I'm just very close to complete my 2K and I don't want to lose this opportunity. And guys, watch hours pe bhi focus karna hai so that I can complete my watch hours as well as I can. So bye bye guys. Let's meet in another video, and don't forget to what? समझ गए?